It is an absolutely stunning day of sailing out here in the Bahamas, and we have a fantastic video for you today. But first, I have a request. That request is simply, please stay tuned until the very end of this video, where I have a short segment recorded, and it could very likely make all of the difference in us being able to continue sailing, cruising, and making these videos. That's my request. Please watch until the very end. So without further ado, here's the video. We're at the Hoffman Key area in the Berry Islands. I'm actually just behind White Key over there right now, trying to take some shelter from this really strong north wind that's blowing in, but it's the same north wind that is going to carry us down further south. And today we're actually going to use that wind to go to a little island called Rose Island, which is just east of New Providence, and then the next day we're going to go from New Providence, or Rose Island rather, down to the Exumas somewhere. So this is 2 days of back-to-back sailing, and right now the wind is quite strong. It was a rocky rolly kind of night. I think we got about 4 hours of sleep, but we can catch up on sleep once we get to the Exumas. What's going on there?
It's Bonine.
Huh?
Bonine.
Bonine?
For seasickness.
Oh, you guys getting ready, huh?
Yes.
Bumpy out here. Alright, going up. Huh? Oh. Thank you. That's why it's so tight. was hard. Who spotted the reefing line knot?
Me?
Oh, good job, honey. Yeah, we need some more. We need some sail up forward. You and your noises.
Oh my gosh. It hurts.
I'm gonna get the staysail up, it'll help. What are you doing?
Trying to take a picture.
Chamby's not having a good morning, but it seems like she's doing a lot better now.
Yeah.
You're way more chipper than you were.
Yeah, things were not good earlier.
Tamby was ready to turn this boat around and go home. No joke. Isn't it amazing what difference a few hours makes?
Yeah.
Sometimes for the better, sometimes for worse.
Yep.
But this time it was for the better. Woohoo! Feels good to be out here. It was way choppy, lumpy, bumpy this morning. We actually put the bow underwater a few times.
Yeah.
And it was kind of a rough start. I made some dumb mistakes. A little rusty. Hey, that's what happens when you haven't sailed in 6 months or so. You get rusty. There's about 4 to 6 foot seas out here right now. We're full sail, more or less close hauled, and we are cooking along at 7.5 knots or so. Oh, look at this delicious chicken salad made purely by Molly. Needs a little more tension on that head sail for sure. These lumpy seas making us roll back and forth isn't helping the sail stay full, but might have to bear off a little bit. We'll see. Look at that beautiful water and these beautiful sounds and these beautiful girls. I'm going to tighten that head sail a little bit. Awesome. Woo, big rollers coming in. Autopilot's working good. The boat's pretty well balanced. I can tell that when the middle of the wheel is more or less at the 12 o'clock position and not like way over on the sides. So it is mostly balanced. We still have just a little bit of weather helm when the center of the wheel is over in this quadrant. But that's not too bad. How are things going?
Good.
I'd like to point out just the volume of freckles that are popping up on this girl's nose and cheeks. Check out those freckles. I mean, look at them. They are so, what's the word? Numerous. You're so cute. On the horizon, you can see the Hotel Atlantis. So that's Nassau over there on the island of New Providence. And just ahead of us is Rose Island. That's where we're going to be stopping for the night. Right, Tampy?
Yep.
Thank you, babe. Yeah. Turn! Last step is to put on the snubber, as they say in French. Snubber deployed. So earlier today, not long after we left and put the sail up, we actually broke our boom fang. So I wanted to check that out. So let's see what the damage is. You can see there at the base of that fiddle block, that pin just ripped right out. It does look a little bit corroded, possibly cracked, but that's what broke. This little piece right here actually stayed on the anchor point, that mount. The same up here. Actually, this upper piece is okay. I may be able to reuse that, but this little fiddle block will fiddle no more. Hey there, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope the wind noise and water noise isn't too bad, but I'm gonna get right to it, folks. I am getting into self-publishing. Self-publishing, if you don't know what that is, it is when you write and publish your own books. Seems like a really good fit for me. It is in line with my personality because I've always been a good writer for whatever reason. I never consider myself to be a great speaker, but when I can put my thoughts down on paper and then kind of polish things up, I mean, I've got a skill there. And it's a skill that I think I can use to help create a stream of income that can help me and my family do this. We want to continue doing this. We like traveling, sailing, and generally just having a good time as a family. And I think by writing books, doing the self-publishing thing, I can make some money and also help some other people out as well through the books. So, here's what I'm doing. I currently have 6 books that I'm writing right now. And in fact, 2 of those books are very near the publishing stage, so it won't be long at all until those 2 books are coming out. When they come out, they're going to be initially published on Amazon. Now, if you know anything about Amazon, you know that products are very, very review driven on Amazon. You know, if a product has 5 stars and a pile of reviews behind it, generally that product is going to be selling really well. Books are no different. It works the exact same way. So my request to you is for you to review my books. I would love it if I could send you a free copy of my books as they come out. You look at it on a Kindle device or the Kindle app, and then you simply leave a review. That's all I'm asking. No cost to you. It absolutely does not cost you a dime, but it would potentially help me and my family out in a huge way in helping my new books that are coming out get some traction and start getting some sales. Yeah. So if that sounds good to you, if you'd be up for reviewing my books, all I need from you is your name and email address. And you can send me that info using a form that should be just below this video. I think that I'm probably going to be releasing a book every month or 2, so the emails you're going to be getting from me are very occasional. I'm not going to be sending you a bunch of junk. Just keep a lookout, you know, on that inbox, and very occasionally I'll send you an email that has a free link to the book. You check it out, you leave a review, and that's absolutely all there is to it. So please, 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 please consider being a reviewer of my books. That's it. So I am very excited about this new endeavor. I think it's going to be a good fit for me, my skill set, my personality, my family's traveling lifestyle. So yes, quite excited about it, and also very excited about the prospect of having you play a part in all this. Yeah. So that's really it. That's the message I got for you. Thank you again so much for watching this video. I hope you'll consider being a reviewer of my books, and that's pretty much it. Take care.